Hello friends, have you ever wished you had a personal AI assistant that already knew exactly how you wanted it to respond without writing a detailed prompt? So today I am showing you how to build a Gemini gem. A gem is like creating your own AI assistant for one specific job so you don't have to repeat the same instructions every time. So without wasting your time, let's dive into how we can build like one of the gem from scratch. If you have never created any gem, so then you need to go to this gear icon. If you click on this gear icon, you will see this gem link. So once you click on it, so this like gem default window will come. So here you have a few uh, instructions from the Google the Gemini, and then you have pre-made gems, and below it you have new gem. So if you click on this new gem, a window will open, and there we will be able to create a gem. So once I have clicked on it, so here you have, and then you need to enter your name. So the name of your gem, you need to give the description and the instructions like this gem will follow. So I have already created instruction for it, but before that I will let you know what this gem is going to do. So this gem write emails like that actually gets delivered. It is designed to pass strict spam filters and use simple, friendly language so people actually read and reply to your messages. And it also takes care of all the spam keywords. It uses the best practices for writing the subject lines and then email body, and it takes care of all the good practices. So I have already written the instructions. So name, I have given it a name and then description and the instructions. So we are going to copy paste all these things. So the name of my gem is, sorry, yeah. So the name of my gem is the email copy catalyst. So the name will appear here. If I click here, so the name will appear here in proper way, and then I will give description. I will suggest that you give proper description so that when you come back, you will be able to know what this gem actually does. And I have a long instruction where I have given all the best practices, how to write the emails and all. I will put it in the instruction section. So everybody, actually, if you are in a hurry, you might not be able to write a detailed instruction, but here the Gemini is going to help you to create a better instruction. How to do that? So there is a pencil icon. If you click on it, if you can read this instruction, use Gemini to rewrite instructions. So I'll click on it and then Gemini will start rewriting it. So let it rewrite the instruction. In the meantime, so let's see what this means. If you click on it, so you can choose the default tools. So see what are our options. If say the primary like reason why you are creating this gem is to create image, so then you can choose this. If you want to create music, you can choose this. But for our task, I think we will not choose any tool and let the Gemini decide which default tool or which tools it is going to use. But see, the instructions has been written. So rewritten, I don't think they have so done a lot of changes, a small bit of changes they have done, and they have optimized the instructions. So our instruction is done. So no default tool. And then if you have some knowledge base in the form of text file, in the form of PDF file, the best practices file, or any other details you want to give to this gem, you can upload your text. So this PDF and text files and all other files here, upload files. You can also add to Drive, you can upload photos, or you can connect your notebook LM. So we'll explore this in our future videos, but for the time being, our Gemini gem is more or less done. So now the other task we need to do is we can save the final task. So we'll save it here, and it's getting saved. And then it is giving us the message that start chat. So we can start the chat. But if in between, after you start the chat, and if you want to edit, so then you can edit it also. But for time being, so let's start the chat like right now. So I have written some instructions also, some small prompts, so where I'm going to generate email. So if you see this prompt to like write a welcome email for someone who just downloaded our free guide titled how to make money online. So this is a small prompt I have written, and see, if I use this prompt here, I'm not giving any instruction to this so Gemini, so what type of format it should give, and what type of it's like spam words it should avoid. I'm not telling anything to it because we have already ins added that in our instructions. So now we have to give email prompt, so which will write our email copy with subject lines and other details. Then let's see what type of output we can get here. So see, the Gemini has written the complete email. It has written the subject line, it has written the preview text. So that is going to come on the email inbox. And then it has given the complete email copy. So this is the way we do a Gemini gem. We create a Gemini gem, and a lot of use cases we are going to see in the future videos. But for now, I hope it might be clear with you how to create a Gemini gem, and you might be able to create a Gemini gem without any difficulty. So best of luck, and see you in the next video. Bye.